Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and I am excited for today's box. We have struggled over the last few months to find a Disney snack box that is worth ordering or eating. I think this one may be it. I haven't opened it yet, but I did a lot of research on this one because I got sick of getting burnt. So let's take a look at what we're doing today. All right. What we have here is the Main Street Treat Company. So, there are a lot of companies out there that have Main Street in their name or in their description, or a lot of people use it. I mean, it's quintessential treats name. So, the Main Street Treat Company on Facebook is where you find it. They have a lot of different style boxes. Unfortunately, right now, only a few of them are available for obvious reasons. It's tough to get to Main Street when you have to fight Mickey and Goofy to get on their road. And that's all coming up right now. So, this has things that you will find in Disney, and I'm excited for this. Let's take a look. You know what? Before I do, let me just show you what their site looks like, just so you can see what the different boxes generally are, what they have available. So this one is the Taste of Home box, and the first time I went on their site, I didn't see this one available. So I think what was going on is they had all of their normal boxes. We had one that was called like the Snow White and the Seven Treats that we originally went in and purchased, knowing they weren't going to be able to ship it to us right away. We were just going to wait on it, but I didn't want to forget because of all the research I did. I really wanted to sample it. So then this one came out, and this one was something that they could ship immediately. So we said, yeah, we're going to do that. And then yesterday, they actually sent an email and said, hey, we know you've been waiting for a while for this Snow White and the Seven Treats box. Would you like to convert it to this other box? And this other one is another one that they are able to ship now. I don't think anybody expected this to drag on as long as it was. So now we'll be getting another one here in not too long. So let's take a look inside this box, because I am excited for real Disney snacks. Oop. Oh, there's stuff in here. So we've got a cute little Mickey sticker. I don't know why my mouth wouldn't work for that. Wow. That's pretty cool. Little postcard. So in the description of the box, it doesn't say that you get any other things. It just says this one is 3 chocolate chip cookies and 3 Rice Krispie treats. There's a pin on here too. So this is like a little postcard that shows some of the treats that they do. And there's a little pin on there. I like bonuses. And I'm celebrating home. I'm not celebrating home. I'm over it. I want to go to Disney. I don't know about you guys. Home is overrated at this point. I like the pin though. And then we have a little trifold with, it looks like their company information. So, I'll throw this side up for you. Boop. Food just tastes better at Disney. The Main Street Treat Company is a subscription box company which brings the magic of fresh and prepackaged treats straight to your front door from the yummiest place on earth. And on the other side, boop. So this talks about Gideon's Bakehouse. So when I did my research on this, I'm not sure if you all know what Gideon's Bakehouse is, but it's a bakery that has been in Orlando since the late 1800s and is obviously popular. It's been around for like 120 years. So, where do you get Gideon's Bakehouse snacks? you get them from the Polite Pig in Disney Springs, and that's the only place you get them in Disney. So in the morning, Polite Pig gets a delivery of half-pound each chocolate chip cookies, and they sell out almost immediately when they get dropped off in the morning. Then again in the afternoon, they get another delivery, and poof, they're gone again. So that's exactly what kind of cookies are in here. They are half-pound chocolate chip cookies. And if you don't want to wait in line, or you can't because it's closed, order a box. Because I don't know if you've had one of those, they're amazing. Even in the park, they're $8 cookies, but they're big, and you really don't want to just sit there and eat one by yourself. I mean, I'm gonna, but you don't want to. You should share it with somebody. It talks a little bit more about the barbecue restaurant, Polite Pig, and then it talks about Rice Krispie treats. So, one thing that people don't realize about Disney Main Street, Goofy's Candy Company, like all that kind of stuff, that's not all made on site. They make the caramel apples. When you look in the window on the side of Main Street and you can see them in there doing amazing things with marshmallows and apples and all that fun stuff. They do that, obviously, right there. Most of the other stuff is not made like that. It comes from a commercial kitchen, like a real commercial kitchen that supplies all the Disney parks, not Jim Bob's banjo tuning, oil change, and bakery like another company uses. That's not what they're called, but who knows what they're called because they don't really have a name. I'm not angry. You're angry. Okay, moving on. This talks about what's in the box and a couple different box options. And again, check out their Facebook page if you want to see all the different options. I've already done that. I'm moving on. I want to eat some snacks. So, ready? What would we do without confetti? That would shorten all my videos by 30 seconds if they didn't put confetti in here. Alright. What? Rice Krispie treats. What? With nutrition facts. You can tell if it has peanuts in it. You can tell, Oh, that's so professional. Look at that snack. Oh, yeah. And for the real test, the squish test. It's squishy! I don't know if you can see it. Look at it, squishy. Oh, yeah. Oh, I ruined it. That was yours. Thank you. I will mush this back together into an ice cream cone shape and boop! So you can get a better look at it. That's an awesome start. Alright, oh, you know what? Let me show you this real quick before I get too far in. I live in Nevada, middle of nowhere. By the way, 3 days to get here. And even though it's the same weight as that one box that we talked about that had $60 shipping, $15 shipping. That doesn't make me stabby. But this is an option for those of us who live in hot areas, especially for all the summer months. They offer this. $6. They will freeze it, throw it in your box, and when you get your chocolate chip cookies, they still look like chocolate chip cookies. If you had like a cake pop, it might still look like a cake pop instead of like a bag of sand. I'm not angry, I already said that. So, freezer pack. All you other snack companies, think about that. Alright. Oh. Got a blue flippy floppy Rice Krispie treat. Soft. I'm gonna smush them all. If I smush them all, do you not get any? I'm talking to Mary. I will take a better picture of that right there. Nutrition facts. Legal stuff. Who'd have thought? So crazy. Crazy Main Street Candy Company doing stuff legit. What? Another Rice Krispie treat. Are they opposite? They what? You get a whole set, a left and a right. I don't know if that was planned. I doubt it. I'm the only OCD goofball. Alright, now. This is what we're all here for. Gideon's Bakehouse. If you've had one of these in Disney Springs, look at that bad boy. You think they can get more chocolate chips on there? So what's on top of that is coconut shavings. I saw on their site that just for May this year, that those were available. So if you are like, oh my god, coconut, you might not be able to get that unless you look like right now, because it might still be available. But I wish you could feel how heavy this thing is. Oh my gosh. I am so getting fat. All right, let me throw a photo box picture of that one up there. Keep moving, don't eat the cookie. Keep moving. Oh my god. Oh, butterscotch. It's amazing how perfect they are. Oh. That's not butterscotch, that's peanut butter. Alright, put a better... Did I already do that? Boop. Did you already see? Boop. Sorry. I got sugar in front of me, I'm losing my mind. Okay. And... finally... I would be willing to bet this is their straight up chocolate chip cookie. Bring it! It is! Oh! It's so crazy. Like, there are so many chocolate chips on here, and you can see where, like, the batter squirts out between... Oh, this is unbelievable. You know... Alright, so I am going to take a pause for a second, because... So I'm gonna... It's gonna happen like a snap for you, but I'm gonna go take pictures of these in the photo box, and then I'm gonna bring it back over here, because I'm gonna cut this one open on camera. Because then I have to eat it, right? Oh my gosh. Be right back. Alright, so I took the photo box picture. Did I already show you that? Boop. If I already showed you, nothing had just happened. If I didn't show you, there it is. Okay. We're doing this, because... Oh boy, how do you... Oh my gosh. Oh. Look at that. All right. Now to take a time machine to the polite pig. Cheers. Mm. Mm. You just watched me eat a cookie. Holy crap, it's so soft. Yep. All right. I might snap my fingers and finish this off real quick. Okay. So, if you would like to get a box, I think you should. This is not cheap. This box was $65. With really good snacks in it. If you want quality Disney stuff. Oh, I would have rather had this one cookie in that other box than any of that other stuff. And still, yeah. Ugh. Okay. The Main Street Treats Company on Facebook. In preparation, since I did so much research on this one, I did reach out to them just after I ordered. And asked if I could use a promo code in the likelihood that I would actually enjoy the box. Because, you know, it's nice to finally find a box that you should be ordering when it comes to snacks. And so I asked if I could use my promo code. So they said yes. And just like our other boxes, our normal promo code is DD10. Boop, right there. And they agreed to 10% off of your first order. So there you go. I think this company is going to go places because That is some really good stuff. There's no faking that. All right. If you'd like to take a look at last week's video, it was the giveaway, or Wednesday's video. I'm so terrible with that. I'm not used to doing 2 per week. If you'd like to take a look at Wednesday's video, it was the giveaway with the Dooney and Burke purse in it. And you can still get into that for another week and a half. So go watch that one and get into the drawing because that is a really cool giveaway. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, click the button right here. I hope you're having a great day.